everybody, it's me, Sissy, back today with the Dollar Tree haul for you. I've got a bunch of stuff. I've been kind of buying it here and there and piling it up, so let's get right to it. First thing, not exciting, but a bucket, a nice bucket with a handle on it. Oop. Puppies, be nice. The puppies are having a little fight over some water. Y'all be nice. Mama will get you some more water in a minute. Okay, and then I picked up some craft supplies. I got the Crafter Square 1.7 ounce craft glue and some of the wooden dowels. You get 15 of them. That's another Crafter Square. And then the little mini clothespins. Okay, I've got a little dollhouse that a friend got for me a long time ago. I never did anything with, and I thought it would be nice if I started fixing it up a little bit, so I'm getting things here and there to use with it. I picked up a little doll bed and the little dresser to go with it. I've seen a lot of videos where they remake those or fix them up, and so I thought I would try that. Then I have a whole bunch of flowers. I've been on a flower kick lately. So I've got like a whole bag here. Every time I go in the store, I pick up one or two. And now they're putting out all the great fall ones, and I want to buy all those, but I need to use these up first, so hopefully I will get some videos made. And I'm not going to show you each and every one of them, but they're beautiful. I've never seen such pretty flowers. I picked up these peonies, white peonies. These are beautiful. And then the white berries and viburnum. That's beautiful. And dahlias. Just an assortment. All this beautiful flowers. Some pink ones. These are baby's breath. And larkspur. Bellflower. I thought these were really pretty, the bellflower. So I just got a whole bunch of those. And some hydrangeas. They had all different color hydrangeas. I picked those up. And then daisies, which are my favorite flower, daisies. So I'm just going to put these to the side. And the greenery. I love the fern leaves. And these are the cosmos. And these beautiful blooming branches, kind of like pussy willow maybe. I think that's might be what it's supposed to be, but those are really cute. So that's it. Just lots more florals. So I'm just going to put these to the side. Y'all don't need to see all that. Okay, and then I picked up some ribbons, red birthday party ribbons. I tie these on the antenna of my car so that I can find it in the parking lot and I don't have to wander around lost. So, and then I picked up this cute little swing top trash can to put on my my crafting desk. Like when I'm weeding vinyl or doing little crafts, I can just toss it right in there. Some more craft supplies. I picked up the Crafter Square paint brushes. These are really good. I love these paint brushes, and they're only $1. So, you know, if you mess it up or forget to wash it out, you can just throw it away. Then I picked up the twist tie with cutter. This is the garden collection. That's great if you got some plants you need to hook to a trellis, or you need twist ties for your garbage bags. These are good. I like to use these when I do my crafts, when I do wreaths and things, so I picked those up. Hopefully I'm going to make a wreath with some of that, some of those florals. And I picked up a little bit of the floral foam to go with the whole flower garden I've got going on back here. And then I picked up the two bandanas. These are pretty patterns, the white one, and then they have this one that looks kind of tie-dyed, and a black and pink one, and then your standard blue and red ones. So I got those. I thought I might make some masks out of them since we're having to wear masks all the time now. We have a little mask ordinance. So pick those up. And then I picked up some fabric. Where's the rest of my fabric? It's down here in the bottom. I got this cute Crafter Square. Those are puppies and cupcakes little birdies and sunshine. You can't hardly see the pattern. And oh, I think there's some more in here. Dig it out. Yep, some little kitties, kitty cats, and it says meow on it. It's really pretty print. And some more puppies. My Walmart still hasn't gotten any more fabric in, so whenever I see any fabric at Dollar Tree, I'm trying to stock back up on what I've used. My little craft fabric drawer was about empty. So, and then I picked up the Glad excuse me, storage gallon bags. I love these. These are great to organize with, or just, you know, use in your kitchen. And some more foam for my florals. I must be going to put flowers everywhere in the world. And then I picked up some stickers that are flowers. I'm on a flower kick, y'all. My poor flowers in my yard, they were doing so good, and then I've been very neglectful of them, and they look really, really bad right now. So hopefully they'll come back. I'm trying to pay a little more attention to them. Picked up the set of 3 clay pots. I have a little thrift store makeover that I'm going to use these clay pots in, so hopefully that'll be coming up soon. I'm going to try to get back to crafting, starting to feel a little bit better. So I'm going to give it a try. And some more foam. Then I picked up some of the Scrub Buddies. These are great for just quick run over your floor to get up any little spills or messes. There's 20 in a pack. They also sell the little mop now with the handle that these fit in. I have one of those, and it's good. It's nice. Little thing that does the job. And I picked up some lemon scented trash bags and the toilet bowl spray in lemon. This is good, and I like to keep a bottle of this in my car. You know, during the hot summer, it sometimes gets a smell in it, you know, from being closed up and being hot. So just a little squirt in there, I'll fix it right up. And then I got another pack of the Crafter's Square paint brushes, a smaller size. And then I was lucky enough, my Dollar Tree had these Assured travel packs of the antibacterial wet wipes. It's not quite as good as a Clorox wipe, but I figured these would be good to keep in the car to wipe my hands on, or to wipe a cart down or whatever. So I picked up 4 packs. I got 4 packs of those. So I'm going to share those with some of my co-workers. And then I picked up a thing of the Tool Bench all-purpose caulk. They have it in a little tub tube. I like the squeezy tube. I think it doesn't dry out as fast. And then I picked up some of the Colgate 2-in-1 toothpaste and mouthwash. Cleans teeth and freshens breath. This is the 4.6 ounce, so I picked that up. And then I got some more of the Crafter's Square Baker's Twine. Is that not going to focus in on it yet? And then the red and white. I like that they're having the bigger spools of it now. And I picked up some fabric softener sheets. These smell really good. This is Morning Sun. So those smell really good. And then I picked up this pumpkin that has an E on it. My initial is not an E, but I thought that if I put some of this caulk in here, I can fill it in and make it a P. My last name starts with a P, so I'm going to give that a try and see what I can do with it. If not, I'll just spackle over the whole thing and use the other side. And I picked up another cutting board. And that is it. That is my big old Dollar Tree haul. Some good things. I think I had some more stuff somewhere, but I'm missing a bag. If I find it, I'll add it onto the end of this video. If not, y'all have a great week. Hopefully I'll be seeing you real soon with a DIY. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Y'all stay safe out there. Bye.